Everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamming with Yarn. Today is Thursday, the 19th of August. Time is flying by. You know what? I was sitting here and I was reading my book, and then I'm at my little art table, and I thought, let me pull out this here. And I bought this the last time I went to the dollar store, and it was really cute. It really is cute. And so I started working on it, and I made the biggest mistake. I actually tore it apart. I told you guys I'm rough. I try not to be rough, but look what happened. Didn't mean to. Oh man, isn't that a mess? I mean, it's a piece of paper. It's clear. Should have just picked up, but I was working on this side here, and so I had it on this side. And what I can imagine, I assume that I did was I'm sorry, my hand is all over the place, is that I was doing like this, and that means I was putting pressure on this side. And so I went to go pull this up, and the whole darn thing came off. But lesson learned, be very careful when you buy items that you're not sure. Just be careful anyway. I've never had anything like this happen, but if you're getting something at the dollar store, be extra careful when you buy these items. I don't know. I just took it for granted. I didn't think that was going to happen, but it did. So now I have more studs. More studs. Okay. Or drills, as they call them, I guess. And I'm going to throw this away, but I may go back and buy this. This was the cutest cat, really, and try to create a different little art object out of it. That's my take on it. So I thought I'd share this little blooper with you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Looking forward to the weekend, I'm sure. And I will see you on my next video. Do the best you can do. And if you can help someone else, definitely try to help someone else. When you do that, you actually do help yourself. It doesn't have to be something super large. It can be something small, or just a smile, or thank you, or just an act of kindness. Until next time, bye-bye. Everyone, this is Shirley, and this is Jamming with Yarn, an episode of Deliberate Cooking. I hope you guys are enjoying my attempt of natural cooking. But you know what? I'm off today, and I had some leftover rice, and I didn't want to throw it away. Lately, I really have not wanted to throw food away, especially, like I said last time, good food. So I had some chopped up spinach in it, and it's in this rice cooker here. Now, I know that looked a little funny, but I tasted. So what I did was I had that much leftover rice, and I had chopped some spinach in it, and a few leeks. And then I put some water in it because it was hard, because it was in the refrigerator. And so I put some water in it and decided, and put some seasoning in it. Mushroom. I had mushrooms, that's what it was. And so I just tasted, that's why that's there. And it tastes like enchilada. I was like, oh my goodness. I was going to have that for lunch. I'm running late for lunch because it's already 2 o'clock. So I don't know how to make enchiladas. I have a skillet here. And this is just me on the fly trying to figure out. I'm going to use some butter. Probably not a good idea. Maybe I should use some olive oil. Maybe I shouldn't use any of this. Maybe it's just going to burn in the bottom. Who knows? So my hands are clean. I just washed them. I'm still going to use the butter mixed with that. I'm going to just put a little bit on there. Never done this before. This is my first time. I guess this is how cooks become good cooks. They just get in the kitchen and they experiment. So what I'm going to do is, enough cheese on here. I found some tomato chutney. This is something that my a family member had. It's really hot. I didn't know it was hot, so I added a little ketchup to it. So I guess, I don't know what chutney is. I guess it's just a bunch of hot peppers. but at least that's what it tastes like to me. So I'm going to put this on it. You know what, that is just going to burn me up. I did mix it with some ketchup because it was super hot. And I'm going to take my rice, and I have much more than I thought. I'm going to put it in here. And I don't know what you can see here. I'm going to put it in here. I think that might be too much. Just roll it up. Wish me luck. Oops, it looked like it's already breaking on that side. Oh boy, I thought that was two. Now, so this is mushrooms and rice. And, oh y'all, it's breaking on the side. I know I had that much. Okay, I'll put some more of this in here. I'm going to put it all because that should be enough. Okay, it should actually be flour, I know, but this is what I have on hand. So I'm going to use the rest of this here. I know that is a lot. I really need it one day, maybe never. Bigger counter. Okay. I'm rolling it, and it's breaking. I don't know if you guys see that. Let me wipe my hands up. Okay, so this is my so-called enchiladas. I guess I should put something on top. What you guys think? I don't know. Ketchup, more red sauce, so I just put that in the sink. I don't have any tomato sauce. I don't like that red. I don't like stuff like that. I don't know. Should I put ketchup on it? Who knows? Ooh. I gotta do something for it to make it look like an enchilada. Yeah? Okay, ketchup it is. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna put this on here. And figure out what this is gonna taste like. Who knows? It's still gonna taste, it's gonna taste good because the inside is good. Should I put anything else on here? I can't think of anything because I'm not a real cook. Did I tell you guys that? So I'm gonna put some cheese on it. And fake it till you make it. Till I learn how to cook. Anyway, this was just on the fly. I was reading. And then I realized I didn't eat, so I went to go taste my food. And it's like, oh, that tastes like enchilada. Let me try to make an enchilada. So you guys, that is leftover. I don't know how it's gonna taste good, but I don't know how this is gonna work out. I'll show you the end results, okay? Thanks for being with me. Guys, I am back, and I'm gonna pull this out of the oven. It hasn't been quite 30 minutes yet. So, I'm gonna cut the timer off. I looked in it. Oof, glasses just got steamed up. Okay, this is what my, ouch, that's hot. I think I got these things from the dollar store. Ooh, I don't think that's really working. Okay, that's hot. I don't know, you guys. I got this from the dollar store. I don't know how that actually works. I have to get some real, I shouldn't say real, reliable. Maybe that's the word. So, okay, this is how it came up. I did put some nutritional yeast on top. And so, well, it's pretty good. It's not sticking. Okay, a little bit on that side because I didn't put any butter on the side right there. The skillet is hot. Can y'all hear the frying? Listen. That's a nice sound. Okay, there we go. So, I am going to try one. I was reading my book waiting for this. Do you guys ever, I know I'm just talking, do you ever get into a mode where you're reading and you don't want to stop? It's like I wish I could just spend all day reading, you know? But I'm going to do let's see, that little part right there is, oh yep, that's that part that I'm trying to, okay you guys, let's do a taste test, or let me do a taste test. Okay, this is what it looked like. I can't see what you see. I'm trying to stay out of the picture because on my last video, I always wear a, what do you call it, like a, not a tank top, but, I make my own little tops, gowns, things that I sleep in. And I looked at my last video and I was like, oh my gosh, there's too much a close-up of me in that one, so I'm trying to stay out of it. That's why you don't see me in a video, because I'm comfortable and I'm doing my little cooking. Okay, I don't know what that looked like, but that's how it is. Let's see. Very hot. It tastes good. It really tastes good. It doesn't taste like ketchup. I think the nutritional yeast changed the flavor a little bit. It's soft. Maybe I'll try to make one. And cheesy. Good. So that was my little promptu video. And trying to be like you superstars that know how to cook and love cooking. Throw something together. Not looking at any videos or any cookbooks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little thing here. And I'll see you on my next video. Take care of yourself. Try to eat the best, most cleanest food that you can during these times. And take care of yourself. Bye-bye.